Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a bootable pen drive using CMD, means command prompt. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tricknology. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So at first you need to go to your start menu and type over there CMD, and after that right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Now you will get this command prompt window. So now you have to put some command over there. It's called dixpart. Okay, so dixpart. After putting this part, press enter. So as you can see, the dixpart window is showing over there. So now I have to put some command over there. The first command is list dix. Okay, so as you can see, here is my 1 TB hard drive, this one, and this one is my pen drive, which is 15 GB near about. So what I have to do, I have to select dix 1. So put the command is select dix 1. After that you have to put the command is called clean, which will format your pen drive. So just put clean. So now as you can see, the dixpart succeeded, is cleaning the dix. So now what you have to do, you need to create a primary partition with the command is create part pre. Now enter. So as you can see, the dixpart succeeded in creating the specific partition. So now I have to select that primary partition. So type over there select then part then 1. So as you can see, the partition 1 is selected. Now I have to put the format command. It's called format space fs, means file system, equals to ntfs space quick. After that press enter from your keyboard. So now it will take some time, so it will quickly format your pen drive. So as you can see, the 0% is completed, so you have to wait for a few minutes maybe. So it's done, as you can see. So now you have to put the command is called active, and the dixpart mark the current partition as active. Now you have to put the exit command. So it's done. So now what you have to do is you have to copy your Windows file into your pen drive. So I have already extract my ISO file over there, so I have to copy that files to my pen drive. So here is the USB drive, as you can see. So just open it and paste it over there. So now it will take some time, it's depending on your pen drive speed. So after copy, you have to change the name to Windows 10 and after that click on OK. So now as you can see, the bootable pen drive is ready.